Hello, this is my video for both the MyDigitalSSD BP4 and the Samsung 850 EVO. These are gonna go together. Now start off with this one. Just in case there wasn't enough time to see the specs, it takes both 25mm and 50mm mobile SATA. Opening the box, you get documentation. This casing could be had for $16–17, and feel free to pause at any moment. It's basically how to install all the parts that come together. So go ahead and zoom in a little. Here's the bottom piece. That's where you connect the memory card. And this is the top plate sandwiched together, and then you assemble it with some screws. So I'm gonna set that to the side. Get some nice foam. Get a nice heavy USB 3.0 to a micro USB 3.0, and then get your hardware. That won't focus. There we go. So there's this little heat sink, 3 screws, 2 rubber feet, and the little screwdriver. So that's everything there is to it. And now we'll just put that to the side and move on to this one. So this one, I believe, has tape. Yeah. So I'll just get that off and open it a little, and then I'll just move on. So got rid of the sticker, and now go ahead and open the packaging. So you get your card here. Now we need to assemble this. It's a 2-part case. The reason I bought this one is because for some reason the Samsung T1, with the recent release of the Samsung T3, it used to be cheaper, but it went up in price. So I bought this one because I trust in Samsung memory, and the new and proprietary one my digital SSD sells is Toshiba memory. So I'll just go ahead and assemble this and be right back. So at this point in the assembly, I have placed the card at an angle, and this little mesh looking thing is the heat gasket. You install it over the connector, and now you just pop this thing back and use the other plate and some screws to hold it all together. And I'll just show you guys the finished product. So I had originally made a mistake. You get 4 screws, 2 to hold this down and 2 to cover, 2 for the cover. So there it is, fully assembled with the screws in place. The provided screwdriver was useless. This will not work, so unless you have something else to use, I think you're gonna have a really hard time. All in all, it took with a useful screwdriver, it took about 5 minutes less. I think those things serve as heat, cooler air respiration, or can't think of the word right now. I'm gonna put the rubber feet, and that was it. This is the EBO 850 inside of my digital BP4. Can't provide any benchmarks right now, but that's just the hardware side of things. Thanks.